dangerous at times.
All right.
Colder air moves into Iowa.
So there isn't a blizzard warning for Cerro Gordo County, but this fucking looks like a blizzard to me. I can't see shit.
Will be prevalent, making any travel extremely dangerous.
Driving to the rumble strips here on the left side of the road.
A winter survival kit of water, a blanket, cell phone, batteries.
Can't fucking see.
If you get stranded, stay with your vehicle.
Been a couple cars in the ditch so far.
Medical emergency, contact 911 immediately.
A couple people passed me. I have no idea how they passed me, but this is ridiculous.
We have closures at this hour.
You can kind of see the side of the road there.
School will start 90 minutes late tomorrow morning. The CWL schools will
going, I think, 5 miles an hour right now.
Friday morning. Nyack has closed for the night, and the Garner IMT will have no second shift.
Well, I'm going to turn this thing off. We're looking a little better, but it still sucks.